Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix smart lock not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now here search Google Play Services. Now click on Google Play Services and then click on storage and usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Google Play Services. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. Reset all your settings mean it will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other personal data. It will only reset your settings. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.